All right, below is the drawing of a room. Find the amount of carpet needed to cover the floor. Oh, so this is kind of like the problem we covered at the beginning of class. And yeah, we are looking for area. So what we're going to do is we're going to split this up into two separate rectangles. And I'm just going to do it pretty much the same way we did that one in the beginning. So what I mean is I'm going to cut this horizontally. Okay, and yes, you could cut it vertically as well. Um, so if you wanted to cut it right there, you'd be fine to do that. You'll get the same exact area. The two areas that we're going to find may be different, but when we combine the two, they'll be the same. So let's see what we got. Well, got to read rod for it to work, I think. Let's go ahead and, there we go. So I have this red rectangle. I'll make this big enough for us to see. And this red rectangle, I know one of the dimensions at least. This is 20 feet right here. I also do not know the height of this or the width of it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But let's look at the other rectangle first, which is this one. And yeah, we do know the dimensions of this one. Here, this purple one. So let's see if I can break this off. There we go. So it's this one right here. And yes, I'm sure a lot of you could make that a better drawing than I did, but hopefully this will work. So that's a 8 foot by 11 foot, right? And yeah, I'm not using that 18 feet because it was the full length of that side on the left. But I still need this length on the red side. So I'm gonna use the 18 feet on the left to figure out that length. And so yeah, this whole part is 18, but this part of the 11, I'm sorry, this part of the purple rectangle is 11 feet, right? So if I want to figure out that red side, I need to take the full length, which is 18, and subtract that part of it, which is 11 feet in purple. That's going to tell me how long that red section is. So 8 minus 1 is 7, 1 minus 1 is 0. So it looks like this length right here is 7 feet. So I know it's a 20 foot by 7 foot rectangle now, and I'm ready to find the area of both, because the area of the purple one would be 8 times 11, which is 88 square feet. I'm not going to put the label on it yet because I know this isn't my final answer, although you could. And the area of the red one is a 7 by 20 foot rectangle. 7 times 2 is 14, and then I'm just going to tack on that 0 at the end. All I really need to do now, in order to find the area of what would have been starting as that orange one, is just add those two areas together. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, but carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get 228, and I'm going to put this as square feet as our final answer on this one. And again, just going back, if you wanted to split this up, I can't do it for the sake of time, but if you wanted to make it this rectangle and then figure out your area of this rectangle to subtract from it, you could have done that. But your answer still is going to be the same, 228 square feet.